Yo, what's poppin' gang? What's poppin' gang? Welcome back to Fast and Effects. Humble Blues, guys. Yes, guys, it's another episode, and now I'm doing just a recap on the previous video that I did make, I believe, 2 days ago, guys. And yeah, we did some analysis, and I took that trade, and today I'm happy to come back to show you how the trade is going. All right. Alright guys, so just using the same strategy that I did describe on that previous video, that's what I'm going to do over here. So if you are new to this channel, guys, please stick around, or if this is the first time you just came across this video, kindly stick around, guys, okay? And maybe after watching the video till the end, if you learn something, then maybe consider smashing the subscribe button, right? Alright guys, so this is GBP against the Aussie, guys. I did take this trade, and I did show you in that previous video that I'm going to show you also, if you did not watch that. Right, so look at this, guys. When I went to the higher time frame, that is now the daily, I'll just take you step by step what I saw before taking that by entry, guys. Already I'm up, guys. I'm really up. Right, I'm up over 100, I mean over 300 or 500 pips. Right, so we can see that okay, sorry guys, so we can see that price was still in an uptrend over there. But then when I went to the 4 hours, guys, I was seeing that price broke that resistance over here. That is this line that I did draw over here. Okay, so but then I did not take that trade when price broke this zone. So like I told you that in my previous video, guys, that I now that this is the style that I started using to trade after losing so much money in the market. So to avoid that manipulation, this is what I was doing. So just wait for price to break that structure. That is, now that we are talking about uptrend, I was waiting for price to break the previous high, then now take that buy entry, and then my stop loss below that previous low over here, then target the best risk to reward ratio. Either way, 1 is to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whichever. So now that is just what happened over here, guys. Look at this over here. This zone was broken. Okay, as you can see, price gave us new high over here, then came back to give us a new lower, I mean new higher low over here. Then I did not take that entry. I waited for that price to break that high over here with that great candlestick. Let me show you. Okay, you can see this beautiful candlestick that was bullish over there. That is when I did take that buy entry. Then my target is, of course, over here around 479 pips, I believe. Was it a bit, or 500 plus? Okay, so then now this joint took, I believe, maybe 2 days, and now it's still playing out. Actually, this is where the market closed on Friday, which is yesterday. So as I said also the previous video, that now as price plays out and gives us new structures, I will also be waiting to see if price breaks that zone and also scale in. So immediately I saw that this joint, or this zone, was also an golden zone over here. I waited for price to break that with this candlestick over here. Don't know if you can see that. We have this beautiful candlestick, this one. So that's when I took another buy entry, guys. Okay, so now from the top we can see, I mean from my first position already I'm up. Let me show you. I'm up 356 pips. Actually, price went on my direction up to 400, and that was 409 pips. Then the second position, guys, I'm up already I'm up, let me see, 173. Then price went my direction 225. Just waiting, still waiting for that to play out. But then remember that this is the take profit zone. Okay, so together, guys, I'm already, let me see, that is 356 pips plus where you are, come on, 356 plus 179. Okay, so if you do the maths, guys, that's a very good number of pips, just a single trade, guys, which is amazing. All right. So of course I'm up around 535, I believe 535 pips. Okay, but generally I'm targeting I believe 500 and 581 pips. Yeah, that should be my target, then I call it a day. Okay, so let me show you the video. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's let me show you. I mean also in another trade GBP. Now this is what's up. Same strategy again. Okay, you can see price broke that zone, then I took that sell entry, I mean buy entry over here, and now price has gone to my direction. Let me see, price went to my direction actually up to, yeah, you can see that was amazing, guys. The same pair that I'm just talking about. So this is before price broke out from this zone. Okay, now you can see this is when the zone that I was talking about, the second zone that I was waiting for price to break. As you can see, I have this indication, so I was just waiting for price to break, then add in let me see, that was 290, I mean, yeah, was it? All right, so you can watch out that video. We have a complete idiot can make money using this strategy. I also add another one over here. We had a USD against the JPY. That same video. I should be this zone around 600 pips, guys. Okay, okay, Marubu, that's a strong one. So that's when I should be taking my buy entry. My stop loss, of course, should be let me see, should be below this previous zone over here. Okay, that is 158. Right, I believe you can still go back and watch that video, guys. So that is before that played out. I'm going to show you the same pair, USD JPY. Currently what's up. All right, so where we are, here we go, baby. Now look at this, guys. Now look at this. Crazy, gang. So you can see that price broke out. This was the same indication or signal that I drew, that I was waiting for price to break out from this resistance. Look at that. All right, with that marbles candle, this one marbles candlestick that engulf. So I took that buy entry without hesitating, guys. All right, then now my target should be 576 pips. So currently I'm still up, I'm up 65 pips, but then price also had gone to my direction. Let me see. Oh, come on. Actually around almost 93 pips. That's what's up. So price went to that direction. So now I'm waiting for price to continue going up, either way to give me new structures. So then wait for that structure to be broken, right? So probably let's say that that is the zone that price will play out. Okay, then now wait for price to break from that zone over here, guys. Then add in or scale in to more position over there, and then my stop loss should be the previous low over here. Okay, then now target that zone, the previous high or the final one should be another 274. So maybe 576 plus 270 something, that should be almost, I mean, of course, 800 pips. So 800 pips, if you add to our 500 something on the GBP, that's amazing. So I'm also in another trade over here. I have NZD Swiss franc also still running nicely. Okay, so this is what's up. Basically this is what's up. The price was still in a downtrend. Of course, price is in a downtrend. You can see that was what's up. So I did not want to look for anything called buys. Okay, of course I believe many people were just taking buys, but then no problem, we will just take you out. No problem, just continue buying in a falling market. Okay, so I believe this is what was happening. People thought that now this zone over here, this was a flip zone. Okay, so most people were expecting that when price hits this zone over here, there was expecting a bounce, and that is just, of course, that is just what happened. So most, I believe most did take that buy entry over there, then their stop loss below that support, then maybe target high, only if you did not understand the general direction. And you can see they was taken out. Okay, so what I saw was something different than most retail traders. Of course, I'm also a retail trader, but then you have to behave how the banks do. So I saw something different, guys. Remember, I'm just taking my trade on the 4 hour. I'm not using any other time frame. The daily should give me the general direction, but then I take my trade or entry at the 4 hour. Okay, so now this is what I saw. Price broke that zone with this Marubuzu candlestick. It engulfed that previous candlestick, okay, the green one. So that's when I did take that sell entry over here. Then now, of course, my stop loss, guys, should be above that previous zone. My stop loss should be here, probably 46 pips, but then I just want to give it more room to breathe, so I gave it maybe 89 stop loss. So price went to my direction. Let me see. Price went to my direction up to 31 pips, but then now went back for a pullback. Then no problem, of course, I'm targeting 108 pips. So as price gives us new structures and continues breaking them, I should be taking more and more sell entries, of course, like this. I've already explained that, right? I already explained that. But now target a great risk to reward ratio. I've already explained that. Okay, so I'm also in another one, USD card. Was it USD card, right? I believe USD card, but then still in a drawdown. This is what's up. Okay, so USD card, you can see the first position was this joint. Price broke this zone. I took that sell entry, my stop loss 103 pips. Then now target this zone over here. That is another support that price probably is going to test. Okay, so now from the first position already I'm up 110 pips, but then, like I say, price gave us new structures. This zone over here, you can see price went up, then now this was another zone. So when price broke that zone with this candlestick, I did not hesitate, so I took another sell over here. Then now stop loss above this previous lower high over here. So that is another 102 pips. But then, of course, you just have to expect some pullbacks before price maybe go to your direction. So that's what's up. Already I'm still in a drawdown, but then let me see. First things first, let me show you. Price went to my direction up to 22 pips, but then gave me another drawdown of maybe 56 pips. But then now it's trying to go back to my direction, so I'm now 19 pips drawdown. Not bad, guys. Remember, I'm still in profits of other pairs, so this does not count. But then you can see I'm already, price almost going back to my entry zone. Okay, so this is what's up. Generally this joint was falling. Okay, so there's no need, should be taking anything called buy, and that's what's up. I have another one over here, NZD-CHF. I did USD ZAR. Okay, USD ZAR. I missed that trade. I missed that entry on USD ZAR. All right, so I was supposed, let me make this white. So I was supposed to take that buy entry over here, guys. I was supposed to take that buy entry over here when price broke out from that previous high, then make my stop loss below that, maybe that is 200 or something. So then target all the way up, of course, because now I believe price is going to retest this zone, the previous high, all the way up about 1,000 pips. So you can see if I did take that entry, I could have been up over 200 pips. Of course, you can see that price went to that 232 pips. Okay, but there's no problem even if I miss that entry. So what I'm trying to do is maybe monitor what this price wants to do. Probably if it pulls back over here, that will be amazing, but then I'll not take that buy entry over here. That might be another manipulation before price goes down. Okay, so this is what's up. I'll just wait for price to do this. Okay, so maybe if price plays out on this zone, I should wait for a break. Let me show you. I should wait for a break with the great candlestick over there. But now take a buy entry. Probably if the candlestick closes there, take a buy entry, then my stop loss below this zone. Okay, then now all the way up. That's what's up. That's how we do it. I'm just trying to avoid those manipulations that I've been falling into and then taking losses each and every time. I missed an entry on Euro card, I believe. Euro card, I missed an entry. Yeah, Euro card, here we go. And here we go, baby. So Euro card had been maybe manipulating people that are still in an uptrend, but generally was in a downtrend. So I've been waiting for maybe, I believe, 2 weeks for price to break out from this zone. But then, of course, I had this in place that to show me that now price, if it breaks, it's going down. But then I believe price just broke out immediately, so I missed that entry. So I'm not going to take that entry yet. I still want to see how it's going to behave. So maybe that and that. So maybe I should take a sell entry if it breaks now this zone. Okay, if it breaks out from that zone, that's when I'm going to take that sell entry over here. Okay, then now my stop loss should be here. Now I just have to delete this because that did not happen. Okay, so that is what I'm just going to do. Okay, there's no problem if I miss an entry. Yeah, so I've just given you tips, maybe other pairs on what to do. Card CHF still playing out in a consolidation zone now, 2 weeks. Crazy, man, crazy. Should be dropping maybe if it breaks out from this uptrend, but no problem. We'll just have to wait. We just have to wait and see how it plays out, though I'm not going to take that trade. Okay, just want to avoid manipulation of the market, man. I'm tired of taking losses. I'm tired. Yeah, so if you're tired also with taking losses, then I hope if you don't understand this video, kindly rewind, rewatch it, and then maybe you'll understand it more. All right, so this is what's up. This is card Swiss franc is still in a downtrend generally. We're still in a downtrend. Okay, but remember we still have this zone over here has not been broken, so price has not given us an indication that now is about to go up. So now you can see that price was been consolidating. This is what I'm talking about. Price just consolidates over here. You can say trading sideways, so avoid that. I'm just going to wait. If it breaks with this is only that kind of see that I'm talking about, then take that sell entry. All right, take the sell entry there. Stop loss should be above there. Then now target down. Okay, whichever risk to reward ratio you want. That's easy, gang. Okay. All right, so I believe, guys, you've learned something, man, and maybe if you find it more interesting, or if you like the video, guys, just smash the subscribe button. It's for free, gang. Just it's going to motivate me to continue maybe making more videos, guys. Remember, most people are going to charge you for this same content in the name of course, guys, but then I just given you this content for free. So kindly smash the subscribe button just to support me. All right. Only if you find it interesting or if you learn something. So yeah, until next time, man. Adios, amigos.